Hey guys, welcome to Stud Talks. Today, our topic of discussion is how to check plagiarism of any documents and how to make changes. Now, let's get started. The first thing you ought to do is go on your Telegram desktop and search for our Stud Talks channel or our Stud Talks discussion group. Any group that you want, and you can enter that group, and both of the links will be given in the description below. So, over here you can see that we have uploaded the plagiarism checker, which then you can download. Once that plagiarism checker is downloaded, you have to go over here and do it. First of all, when it gets downloaded, it will automatically pop up. And now, wherever you have downloaded that plagiarism checker, you have to just extract it there, and in a moment it will be easily extracted. Now click on install steps. Now once over here you can see all the instructions that are needed to successfully install this application. Now you can see that the very first and obvious step is install the app, run the application, and you can just follow these steps. Now the second thing that you have to do is just copy and paste the content of plagiarism checker exe from the crack folder to the install directory, or the directory wherever you have installed. So most probably for the 32-bit it would be c/program files/plagiarism checker, and for 64-bit it would be program files /x64 x86/plagiarism checker. And what you have to do is just install the plagiarism checker. If you can see that I have just copied that crack rar, I have extracted that crack rar, and then I have placed it over here, and then I have installed the plagiarism checker 2018. Now you have to just click on next. There's no harm in doing that, we all do it, but just click on next and just install it. Now once finished, you have to uncheck the launch plagiarism checker app and then click on finish. Once this is done, now what you have to do is just click the application of plagiarism checker X and put it in the actual folder wherever you have installed it, like I have done over here. Now you can successfully launch the plagiarism checker. Now once launched, you can see it asks us for our email address. Look it over here. I'm just going to type just subscribe Stud Talks. Just go subscribe Stud Talks now. Okay, so just go subscribe now @studtalks.com. So make sure you like this video, follow us on Instagram, and do come into our Telegram group. All the links will be in the description below. It's for your own good. So once we have done with this, if you want to check our plagiarism, now let's discuss what is plagiarism first. Plagiarism is basically blatantly copying some documents or copying something from a document word to word. Now I have taken a sample PDF over here. Now you have to just click on the load document given over here below and just load it, and then click on analyze it. It's that simple. Now once it starts analyzing, it will give you a percentage that how much percent has it matched with certain number of characters in your document. This is especially important because whenever you are in your TY, when you are presenting your project, they check you whether you have plagiarism in your document or not. If there is a high probability that there is too much plagiarism, they will decline your document. So there is a high probability that they will decline your document. So 10% plagiarism is acceptable, but or permissible, but more than that is slightly gets you into that dark patch where it can be, people can look you with a doubtful eye. Now, as you can see, these are all the percentages that our words in our document have matched with. So the red percent means 40 to 100% of the words in that particular sentence match. Now we can see over here that it is giving us a proper pie chart. You can see how interactive it is. Like 53% of our document is plagiarized, and then when we click on detailed report, we can see what all everything that has been plagiarized is given you here in a very detailed format. You can also print it, also you can save it. Now I'm going for Microsoft Print to PDF. Basically I want to save it as a PDF, so I'll just give it a sample final report or sample report, just sample as a PDF format. So it's saved. Now you can see on the right hand side that these are all the internet pages where our documents have been plagiarized. Like everything in the red line over here has been plagiarized. Now I can just exit this page and just minimize this for a second. Now we have to look at the document which we have saved a moments ago. You can see even here PCX report, it automatically even saves your whatever you have done or whatever you have requested it to do. You can see all these yellow markings over here is what it has radared as plagiarized. Now all the things in the yellow is plagiarized. Plagiarism is basically everything that you have copied from somewhere else, word to word. Now, but there are some methods to bypass this, and we'll teach you in this video. Now the other things that you can do over here is, now you can see obviously it's 47% unique. That means 47% of the words that I've typed in or the sentence construction that I've done is unique and belongs to me. It has come from my mind and not somewhere from the lurking in the internet. Now if you want to check whether this was just for a large content, like you have to check a whole file and everything, but what if you have to just just do for one paragraph? That's it. You want to have a very small requirement and you just want to do it for a small paragraph. You want to look over here in the paragraph section, and I'll just add some product placement over here. Why not subscribe Stud Talks? Because it's for you students over here. So why don't you just click on the red button that's below. Now obviously, and we provide you powerful ways to help you prove your point. When you click on the Telegram link which is given below, Telegram channel will be obviously linked below. Now you can see again there is a detailed report, a summary or results of how much percentage of a paragraph was plagiarized from which sites on the internet. So you can see it's just 17% unique and it's about 83% plagiarized. Now let's start with the thing you have awaited for a while now, that how to reduce plagiarism. That's the one thing everyone keeps on asking. Like, it's okay if we find plagiarism in our document, but how to reduce it? कम कैसे करे भाई? तो कम करने के भी थोड़े बहुत ways है. There are ways to reduce the plagiarism in your documents. Now there's an absolutely good function in Word which is synonyms. Now you may have heard, if you use Microsoft Word a lot, I'm sure you must have used Microsoft Word somewhere in your life, because everyone always types essays, makes some reports, everything. And the best thing Microsoft Word offers is synonyms. Basically you have to highlight the word that you want a synonym for, and then just right click on synonyms, choose a synonym that best suits the sentence. Now by this you can actually reduce the number of plagiarism, the percentage of plagiarism that is there in your document, because it tricks the plagiarism software. It doesn't trick, but actually it constructs a unique sentence for you that can bypass a plagiarism software. That's the basic idea of doing this. So over here you can see that words such as embed can be replaced by the word surround. Also, you can do similar things, and now I'll just save this, and then you can see that your plagiarism will be reduced. So thank you for watching. Follow us on the next video. Thanks.